Let's talk about payment gateways and how we are locking users out of premium functionality, because I'm seeing a lot of people do this the wrong way. So in this example, let's assume that this is a premium functionality and the user trying to access this does not have a premium subscription yet. So we show them this pop-up and get them to subscribe to the premium functionality so they can access it. However, this is the problem. By using this in a floating group or a pop-up, a user can easily adjust the CSS in Chrome tools to make this go away and to continue using the premium functionality. Just like this. Inspect, find the visibility of this, set it to hidden, and just like that, we have access to the premium functionality that we have just hidden via the CSS, and we can continue forward. So it's for these reasons and more that we avoid using pop-ups or floating groups for this scenario. Instead, it's best to send them to a dedicated page where they can subscribe now, or before bringing them to the premium functionality, showing that pop-up or floating group in that manner. So hopefully you enjoyed this tip, and if so, please follow me for more bubble tips.